الله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal. You are watching the qualities of the Arabic letters. And inshallah in this class we will learn about the quality of without opposites, which is At-Takreer. What is At-Takreer? That inshallah we will learn in this lesson. Before going to start our lesson, make sure to subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes, and also click on bell icon for new videos, or you can visit our website www.islamicclasses.com. Let us start now. The permanent characteristics without opposites. This is the fifth quality of without opposites, which is At-Takreer. At-Takreer is literally, it means repetition, like we repeat that letter, which letter has this quality, and technically means the trilling of the tongue while pronouncing a letter that causes the letter to be pronounced more than once, right? Inshallah, I tell how it is, and this quality is found only in raw letter. There is raw, which letter has this quality. So in the technically means the trilling of the tongue while pronouncing a letter. What is the trilling? Like trilling is again like almost same, like you repeat the sound ow, ow. If you listen this, so there is only one time, more than once. We repeat the sound of ra one time. If you repeat multiple times like ar, that is wrong. Okay, only once you will repeat, and that is the good sound. And if you repeat multiple of ra sound, that is wrong. Okay, like we say ar-Rahmanir Rahim, that is wrong. Okay, so the correct is ar, like more than once. And then we say Bismillahir-Rahmanir, the one, Rahmanir Rahim, nir, we are not saying nir. Okay, so that is basically the takreer meanings. I hope you understand about the takreer. If you didn't understand anything, you can ask me anytime by comment under this video, and just make sure that you sound trill in your mouth only once. Okay, so keep watching my tutorials. If you like this video, so make sure to click on the like button and share with your friends. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.